Hi everyone, my name is Jason Reed. I work at Cervello, and today I'll be demonstrating our Salesforce archiving solution that we built with Heroku and Heroku Connect. Just real quick, a high-level overview of our solution. Our solution has three components built in Heroku. The first is a web services, which is built using the Spring MVC framework. These web services will provide endpoints for Salesforce to call for unarchiving and archiving of records. The second piece is a Postgres database. Within that database, we have a set of stored procedures. These stored procedures will do all the management of records between the archive tables and the actual live tables that are managed by Heroku Connect. And then the final piece here is Heroku Connect, which is an add-on offered through by Heroku. And within that, there are two pieces: the external objects, which will help us expose data in our archive tables via no data endpoint, which can then be consumed by Lightning Connect to create external objects within Salesforce. And then the second piece is the Heroku Connect sync, which will do all the bidirectional sync between our Connect tables stored in Postgres and Salesforce itself. Okay, so let's dive into the demo here. So what we did was we're currently archiving and unarchiving accounts and contacts. And you'll see here we have our normal accounts and contacts objects, and then we have these archived accounts and archived contacts objects. These are our external objects that are made available through the Heroku Connect external objects. If we look at one of these accounts here, you'll see we've made an archive custom button available. And you'll see here within this account it has various fields filled out and a parent account. If I go ahead and click that archive button, it'll make a call to our web services to archive this record. The web services will return the ID of the new archived record. So you'll see this record, test account 7, now exists as an archived record, as an external object, and no longer counts against our storage. If I look back at my accounts object, you'll see it is now removed. You no longer see test account 7. But it exists here within our archived accounts. And then on the reverse, if say I want to bring that account back in to Salesforce for whatever reason, we've provided an unarchive button, which will put the record back in the Connect tables and then return the ID that was created, because this is a new record that was created. And it'll reroute us to that new account. So you'll see here that the account has been recreated in Salesforce. And then the one other thing we created was a sort of a bulk loader, because that only does things one at a time. A lot of times people might want to archive a bunch of objects at once. So what you can do here is you can set the dates as to when you want to start archiving objects. So this will look at the last updated date. So any objects not touched after the last updated date defined here will get archived. So if we set a date in the future, all accounts will then get archived. So then if I go ahead and click Archive Records, what you'll see here is a result set of what occurred. You'll see our contact object did not have any records that were archived, but our account object had multiple accounts that were archived, and then it errored on one of our accounts, which would need to be investigated by the administrator. So if we dive into our accounts here, you'll see all those accounts that we originally had are in fact now gone. We just have that one account that threw the error, and then all the accounts will now be underneath our archived accounts external object. Okay, thank you everyone. That concludes this demo, and I hope you have a great day.